Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious dragon fruit smoothie. First, gather your ingredients: 1 ripe dragon fruit, 1 banana, and about 1/2 cup of your preferred liquid, such as almond milk or coconut water. You'll also need a sweetener if you like, perhaps a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Make sure your blender is ready and have your measuring cups handy for precise amounts. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your blending adventure. Now that your ingredients are ready, it's time to blend. Carefully place all your prepared items into a high-speed blender. Begin by blending on a low setting to break down the larger pieces, then gradually increase the speed to high. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture achieves a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency with no chunks remaining. This ensures a delightful texture. Once blended, you can customize your smoothie to your liking. If it's too thick, add a splash more liquid. For a thicker consistency, incorporate a few more pieces of frozen fruit. Feel free to add toppings such as granola, fresh berries, or a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra texture and nutrients. Pour your vibrant smoothie into a chilled glass and enjoy it immediately for the freshest and most refreshing taste experience. For an even colder and thicker smoothie, try using frozen dragon fruit instead of fresh. Simply cut and freeze your dragon fruit ahead of time. Remember, dragon fruit is not only beautiful, but also packed with beneficial antioxidants and dietary fiber, making this smoothie a fantastic healthy choice. For more insights on managing your finances, remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your vibrant, nutritious dragon fruit smoothie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.